All right, it is Thursday. That means we have a vet here to answer your pet questions. The number to call is 460-KJRH. It's Dr. Joe Landers here again to answer your questions, and he's brought along a Rocket this morning.
Rocket, yes. Everyone's asked me what Rocket is, and he's at first we thought maybe he's like a little Boston Terrier, but he had a tail, and he's black and white here. Probably some Border Collie cross and some Lab and who knows what, a little pit bull,
it's a
whatever.
mystery.
But he's a nice little guy. We've had him. He was on our porch in a box, and we've had him for several weeks now, and we're kind of getting him up to, he's 8-9 weeks, so he's ready to be kind of weaned. He thinks he's a person. He really, yeah, this is kind of, he's like, hey, how come I don't get a chair? But a nice little guy. Well, they've carried him around so much now, he thinks he's a lap dog, which as he gets bigger may be a little bit of a issue, but
so cute.
Yeah, he really is. So,
but
he's
over.
Find Rocket? You bet. He's over at Heritage, which is 918-627-8575. He's on the Animal Aid website. He's also on. We did a little deal on Facebook, a little video of him. If anybody kind of misses it and wants to watch him go around, he's just he's kind of playing and stuff. So he's really cute.
Good deal. And again, it's animalaid.org is that Animal Aid website. Let's get to the phones. First up today, we have Don in Tulsa. Good morning, Don.
Hi.
Good morning. I've got a dog about 14 years old that has, it looks like her eyes are starting to get cloudy.
Yep.
Is this cataracts, and is there any treatment?
Cataracts a lot of times are, as you kind of look through the pupil in the back, and especially in low light situations, and you kind of take a flashlight, you'll see that white kind of flash back. If there's any eye discharge, or if the top of it looks kind of cloudy, that might be the cornea. And sometimes when they get old, they don't produce a lot of tears, and they'll actually get some eye infections and some of that. You might want to have your veterinarian look at that. They can be told really pretty quickly, but a lot of old dogs get some eye problems that you can use some drops and stuff and help them out a little bit. So you might want to get that checked.
Potentially solvable even for a dog that age. Okay.
You bet.
Next up, we have Nancy from Tulsa. Good morning, Nancy.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your question?
I've got about a 3.5-year-old min pin, and that poor thing, he is shedding like you wouldn't believe.
Yeah, they don't know whether to keep their hair or lose it this time of year. If the weather would decide which way it's going to go, I think they might do it a little bit better. A lot of little short-haired dogs do shed quite a bit too, because we keep them inside, and most people keep thermostat around 70 or whatever. And what I'll tell people is a lot of brushing, a lot of bathing. Sometimes you can get some fatty acid, and that will help them in their food a little bit. And then when you do give them a bath, some conditioner too sometimes helps their coat.
All right, I've stolen Rocket here.
Yeah, absolutely.
He's just too cute. All right, next up we have Hannah. Good morning, Hannah.
Good morning. I kind of have a two-part question, I guess.
Okay.
I have two Chihuahuas, male and female, both about 3 years old, and then I have a mixed breed dog. She's about maybe 9 months old. My little girl, we had an appointment to get her fixed this week, and she came into heat. Well, my problem is the two male dogs are not eating. Is there anything I can do to help that out? Once
she gets fixed, a lot of times that will help, because there is a pheromone that females let off to tell the males, hey, it's time to breed. And actually, they kind of usually forget about anything else, including eating. So, yeah, whenever you get her fixed, that will help a little bit, or separate them, separate her out. So
keep them apart.
Absolutely, and that helps quite a bit. So,
all right,
a lot of times that's not uncommon. So.
Yeah, sure. Well, we're out of time, but again, if you want to find Ronnie, you can go to animalaid.org. or give them a call at Heritage Veterinary Hospital in Tulsa. Dr. Landers is here every Thursday to answer your pet questions. If you missed any of today's segment, you can go to KJRH.com and click on the Lifestyle tab to watch it again. Learn about other pets who need homes and find out more about Heritage Veterinary Hospital. Thank you, guys.
Well, thank you.